Hi Natasha.
How are you doing?
Very well, and you?
I'm doing great. So we just attended a lecture of mine of Illness to Wellness. So how did you feel before the lecture and how did you feel after the lecture? And how did you feel, overall, how did you find the lecture?
So, firstly, it was a very enlightening lecture, and in simple language, I was heavy when I came, and I'm now very light, like a butterfly.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So it's like I think day-to-day life, everybody has a lot of stress, and I think there's a lot of distraction, and it was really nice that I think we all know what's good and what's bad, but we need those timely reminders, and the way you expressed, and you actually looking at your calmness, like I'm a little hyper, and so that made me feel, wow, you can be like that, and with your story, and with your understanding of life and your journey has really given me that awakening that our body is our temple, as they say. It's no more a dialogue now, but I think it should reach to every person that be positive, be in a positive environment, and take care of your body, make it a real temple. And I think the practice that we do, we actually should discipline ourselves and follow that routine. I think that much we all owe to our body and our Almighty, which He has given us the perfect of, and we should take the rest of it. So thank you so much.
You're most welcome, and I'm sure you'll apply what all I said in terms of lifestyle changes, because these things are very important, and we start off, like they say now, start off with slowly,
Yes.
doing bit by bit, and it will really help.
Yes, absolutely. बूंद बूंद से भरता है सागर.
Yes.
And yes, definitely, inshallah, I will definitely try, because it's going to help me, and I want to live positive, and I want to live healthy, and I want to do everything which gives me happiness, and without my body supporting me, I can do nothing.
Yeah, I think that's an awesome statement which Vana made. As I always say, I'm Natasha Advani, I'm nationally certified life coach, wellness coach, and I believe, that I want to create an oasis of wellness to the society, because it's very important. I say you might have all the money in the world, but if you can't get up from your bed, or you have a stomach pain, can we even do anything? So these things are very important.
Yes.
And a healthy body is always a combination of mind, body, and soul. It's not that you're like physically fit, but if you're messed up in the head, you have negative thoughts, it's not possible. And also, we shouldn't have that ego that we know it all. Finally, it's the higher source, and that's why I say soul, because that's equally important. And in fact, I guess all of us learn every day, and everyone has a way of conveying what it is. But this was my way of conveying, because I've had a major health issue, and I've come out of it doing these techniques along with medical. So this is my message to the audience. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.